Here we want to solve the absolute value of 4 minus 3a, which is equal to the absolute value of 10 minus 3a. Now, if the absolute values of two expressions are equal, then those expressions are either equal in value or opposite in value. So what that means is, let's write out the second scenario. So this is the equation that we're given. So we have two scenarios. We have 4 minus 3a, which is equal to negative of 10 minus 3a, or we have 4 minus 3a, which is equal to the positive of 10 minus 3a. So this means that we have the in value or the opposite in value. So this is the opposite of the value, and this is the in value here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the sign to both of those terms. So we can distribute the negative sign, or we can call it negative 1. So therefore, we're going to end up with the following. We have 4 minus 3a. So we have negative times 10 is negative 10. And a negative times a negative 3a is plus 3a. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3a to both sides of the equation. So we have 4, this is minus 3a, which is minus 6a. And that's equal to negative 10, and this is 0. So now we're going to subtract 4 to both sides. So we have negative 6a, which is equal to negative 10 plus negative 4 is negative 14. And then divide both sides by negative 6. So a is going to equal, well, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and they both have a common factor of 2. So if we divide both sides, both the numerator and denominator by 2, we end up with 7 over 3. Now let's take a look at this one here. So we have 4 minus 3a, and if we distribute the positive sign, it's not going to change the signs there, so it's 10 minus 3a. And then we're going to add 3a to both sides. So when we add 3a to both sides, the variable eliminates and we get 4 equals 10. So in this scenario, we have one solution. And that one solution is 7/3. Because in this case here, this is a false statement. So the only solution that we can have is 7/3. So let's go ahead and put that in here. So the solution set is the fraction 7/3. Check our answer, and there's our result.